Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best dash cam that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's starts this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Rexing V14K Ultra HD Car Dash Cam. The Rexing V1 is a high-quality car dash cam featuring 4K Ultra HD resolution and a 2.4 inches LCD screen. With a wide 170 degrees viewing angle, it captures a broad field of vision. Equipped with essential features like G-sensor for incident detection, WDR for improved night recording, and loop recording to ensure continuous coverage. The built-in supercapacitor enhances reliability, especially in extreme temperatures. It offers convenient Wi-Fi connectivity for seamless file transfer and control via a mobile app. Plus, it supports up to 256 GB of storage for ample recording capacity, making it an excellent choice for car safety and surveillance. Moving on at number 4, we have VAVA Dash Cam. The VAVA Dash Cam boasts a top-notch Sony IMX291 sensor, ensuring crystal-clear 1080p HD videos with a wide-angle perspective. It includes snapshot remote buttons for instant captures, and the GPS model allows for precise location tracking. With a dedicated smartphone app, you can conveniently control and access footage via Wi-Fi. This feature-packed dashcam offers superior video quality and user-friendly functionality, making it an excellent choice for those seeking reliable, high-definition video recording and seamless connectivity on the road. At number 3, we have Kingsland D44K Dual Dash Cam. The Kingsland D4 is a cutting-edge dual dash cam equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS functionality. It captures stunning 4K resolution footage for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, ensuring comprehensive coverage. The 3 inches IPS touchscreen display provides intuitive control and playback options. With a wide 170 degrees field of view and Sony Starvis sensor, it excels in low light conditions. Plus, it supports up to 256 GB of storage, ensuring ample recording space. This feature-rich dashcam is an ideal choice for those seeking high-quality video recording, connectivity, and GPS tracking in their car. At number 2, we have Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual 1080p Dashcam. The Vantrue N2 Pro is a versatile dual dashcam designed with Uber drivers in mind. It features infrared night vision for clear recording both inside and outside the vehicle, providing dual-channel 1080p footage. Additionally, it offers a 2.5K single front camera mode for detailed front-facing accident recording. The 24-hour motion sensor parking mode ensures security even when parked. With support for up to 256 GB of storage, this dashcam provides extensive coverage and storage capacity, making it an excellent choice for rideshare drivers and anyone looking for comprehensive car surveillance. And finally at number 1, Cobra Road Scout Dash Cam and Radar Detector. The Cobra Road Scout is a versatile device combining a dash cam and radar detector in one. It offers a high-definition 1080p dash camera for crisp video recording while on the road. Its heavy-duty easy mag mount makes installation a breeze. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, it seamlessly connects to the iRadar app, enhancing its radar detection capabilities. This compatibility allows real-time alerts and crowdsourced data sharing. The Cobra Road Scout is a valuable tool for drivers looking to stay informed about speed traps and road conditions while also capturing their journeys in clear HD quality.